Look at this one. And I think it's huge too. It should probably fire or something like when you drive it.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, red one, yeah. Look at that one. The black one. Viper. Yeah, they probably did it. Yeah. Look, they got a lot more cars. Let's go, let's go. Come on, come on. Come on, baby. Ooh, yeah.
One, two, 1, 2, 1.
They have so many. I mean, like up and down, and then in front of us too. Yeah, like all the way down that way, and then in front of us too. There's like a whole other block.
1, 2.
Keep walking. Yeah, let's keep walking straight, and then we'll go up and down this way. Yeah.
1, 2.
The Viper. It's nice. That thing's huge too. I thought it was gonna be warmer. It's actually kind of cold, huh? I brought pants in my. I brought pants. Shut up! I brought pants. And look at you, greasy ass motherfucker who hasn't taken a bath in days. Think you smell good? No, I'm just kidding. You do smell good.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I think we just go straight and then we'll come back down this way. Yeah. Ooh, and we made it on time too. That shooter right there. We'll look at it on the way back. Yeah, I know. And this way too. Look at it. Yeah, but that's why let's do the shortest one first, you know?
Can you hear me, Aaron?
Yeah, it's gonna get warmer right now. Look at that one, too. Oh, we should go visit Forest Lawn so we can get your tombstone, your headstone or whatever. Cause you'll be dead soon, motherfucker. Just kidding. I like that color. I like that yellow. Yeah, I like that yellow. It's like kind of like a brownish yellow. Like. Another cobra, Mustang Cobra. Volkswagen. That's like the station wagon Volkswagen. It's like that. Really? Yeah, I told you my friend had a station wagon Volkswagen, but this is longer than that. That's like the station wagon. Yeah, this one. You think they separated them by like type of car? Or do you think this is just like a club that's together and cool? Look at that one. Look at it. It's funny. Look, this one's beautiful. Nice. You only ride like a pacer when you're white like a pacer, it says. That's an Impala. Look at that, back of it. It's a nice color, huh? It's like a green. It's different, yeah. Look at the pink one. What? This one? Yeah. There's another Roadrunner. There's another Cobra. Finished it in 1989. This is just like the pink one, huh? But better color. For different years.
Yeah, well.
K-Earth 101. They're too cold to come out. They're still in the car. Yeah, that shit is classic. Oh, look at that. That does look nice. The paint job. Does it Hemi on it? It does say Hemi. Look at this one. With the boat too, look at. With the boat to match too. I like that. I like that. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, I like it. Alright, you want to go down to the street now? Which side do you want to start on? Go start this way? You want to go start this way? It's in. I like the song. It's in your eyes. Crazy little thing called love. It's in your. Well, these are huge. I didn't even know that. Just noticed that. And on that one too. Look at. They all have big tires. Look at that one right there. Look at that's a Barracuda. See the Barracuda? There goes my baby. He knows I love me. You should be filming with your camera so you can start YouTubing. Because you don't speak a lot, so your videos would come out good. I talk too much. I gotta mute all my videos, you know? Like, I'm good at filming, I just have to mute all my shit. That is okay, I'm probably gonna mute it and put music in the background anyways, you know? Because I'm gonna make money off my fucking YouTube channel, motherfucker. Montaña. Bel Air, baby. I always wanted a Bel Air. But I also always wanted a rich boyfriend. Never got that either, so I ended up with you. Great. I gotta be cool. Relax. Take a backseat. Take a ride on a motorcycle. Ready? Crazy little thing. Falcon. Oh, it's saying I'm already almost out of room on my phone. That's horrible. So I'm just gonna upload one video at a time. I'm gonna do a 10-minute video. Then look at that green one. Actually, I just do it.